Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So, I can see player piano and upright piano. To be honest, I saw them in the opposite order because what else can upright be? I guess electronic piano. Because I don't know what the fourth one would be. I mean, there might be a Smith or a Duke piano. Who knows? Yeah, it was not. It was as simple as I hoped it would be. Right. Brown, Smith and Young are all common surnames, but I suppose Judge, Howard, Johnson, there's loads of surnames. Consider and regard are clearly synonyms, but what on earth else would go with that? Could be count and gamble. I mean, everything else could theoretically be a surname, which would be absolutely horrific. Because how am I supposed to divide the surnames into 2 groups of 4? So let's hope it's not that. But what on earth is it going to be instead? That's the question. Oh, Brown and Duke are also Ivy League universities. But I don't think any of the others are. Interesting. This feels like it's going to be a puzzle where you need some American knowledge. But maybe not. Maybe the surnames are people that I have actually heard of. Or maybe they're not surnames at all and it's all just a giant red herring. A count, a noble and a duke. Those are all positions of esteem, aren't they? And I suppose judge could be as well. I don't know what the fourth one would be if it is count, noble and duke, if it's not judge. So we'll try this. It's not even one away. What a disaster. In that case, I've got absolutely no idea what is going on. Let's just try the 4 non-surnames, just in case. They're one away. Right. Oh, it's probably judge instead of gamble, because then they're kind of synonyms, aren't they? Consider this, regard this, count on this, and judge this, something along those lines? Yeah, that sort of makes sense as a group. So what's gamble then? Procter and Gamble? Is that even how you spell it? Procter and Gamble, Barnes and Noble, Ernst and Young. Oh, it could be absolutely anything. Johnson and Johnson? Or something else? I don't know, there might be another American shop I'm not aware of. They are just second names in companies with ampersands. I mean, that is a huge mouthful of a group, isn't it? But luckily, I'd heard of enough of those to be able to work it out. And now what about this? I don't need to know what the group is. They are surnames. They are just US colleges. Okay, I did say that, at least for Brown and Duke. Never heard of the other 2, but it didn't matter, because you don't even need to know what the groups are. So the fact that I mentioned Brown and Duke being Ivy League was even more knowledge than I needed. We got there in 6. A couple of mistakes in the middle. But that wasn't the easiest one, I don't think. Maybe it was for you. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.